Good morning, friends. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing good, and as well, if you're new here by chance, please consider subscribing. It would really mean a lot to me and be a part of this family. Today, actually, I have been sitting with Anjali for so long in the morning because she just wants me to play with her little toys, her cups and plates. But yeah, we have been busy with that, and my kitchen is a mess. My house actually is a mess, and I am okay because it's a part of life. And actually, we all have all those times when we judge others based on how clean their house is, how messy the house was. And it's time that we all stop doing that, because every mess has a reason behind it, and we should actually stop being hard on them, on others as well as yourself. And don't stress too much on having a clean house. A clean house doesn't actually mean a very happy house. So take care of the people inside the house, and then comes the house. So for example, every mess has a reason behind it. As I said, if all these plates here are considered a part of a mess, that just means that Anjali has been playing with this all day long happily, and I'm thankful for that. And if this random box here is considered a part of the mess, that just means that Adi has been working very hard at school, and when the teacher asked them to make something innovative and magnificent, he made this pretend radio. And I'm thankful for having a child that has a good idea in his mind. And let me show you my kitchen. I'm all sort of random stuffs here, and all the miscellaneous items on my countertop. No relation to each other, but I'm thankful for each one of that. The bananas here are here on the countertop and not over here, just because of the reason that we had bananas also as a part of our breakfast today, and fruit as a part of the breakfast is considered very healthy. So I'm thankful for that. And this little mess here just means that Anjali helped me a lot with making her PBJ sandwich for breakfast. And this two little things over here just means that I made cheese quesadilla for Adi's lunchbox today. I'm happy and I'm thankful for being able to make it for him for his lunch. Now this one here just means that we are getting ready to wrap up our Christmas presents. And this Vicks Vapor Rub just means that we are taking care of ourselves in the winter season, all the cold and cough going on. And this little package here just means that I have friends who take care of me and who give me sweets and brownies, and I'm thankful for them. And this planner book here just means that I am busy preparing video ideas so that I can film it for you all. So I'm thankful for being able to connect with you like that. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before getting along with this video. Okay, so we are getting ready to clean the house now, and we are actually having some guests coming over for dinner, so some special dinner recipe as well, so stay tuned. But before that, I am planning to deep clean the living room, dining room and kitchen. Deep cleaning I haven't done inside out after moving into the house, so this is a reason for doing that. And yes, I hope to finish the living room and the dining room before they come in, but kitchen anyways, I don't think deep cleaning is possible until and unless we are free from cooking for a day. We cannot deep clean that. So let's get started. Thirsty, Anjali. Mama clean chiyambo, okay? Will you help me, Anjali? Okay. Anjali, pick up your stuffed toys there. Teddy bear, Nemo, and puppy.
Which teddy bear?
Go, pick up.
Yeah.
Teddy bear, Nemo, and Puppy morning. Good job! So it had been so long that I had to wash these cushions and the curtains as well, so that the room can feel a little more fresh. So, a good news. While I was cleaning, I just found this beautiful ring. This was actually missing. This is something that Adi gave me. He had a Christmas shop at his school and he brought each one of us a few gifts, and I had actually placed it near the Christmas tree in this little present box that he had got, and suddenly one day this ring was missing. Did you take it, Anjali? Did you take it? Yes? Oh my god. But finally we found it. Yay! You happy? Amma got it. Can Amma wear it now? Can Amma wear it? Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Adi will be very, very happy today. Because he was sad the other day that the ring was missing, right?
Yeah.
Today he'll be happy. Now these are all the things that need to be taken care of, which I just took from this cube organizer. Actually, having these cubes, I have found it very useful, but at the same time there is a chance for everything to be just thrown inside, and this needs to be gone through in at least in intervals. But today is the day that I'm going to handle all of that and see what is actually required and what is not, so that we can have a clean, clutter free, actually clean living room, not just like superficially clean. These are all Adi's video games and some movies, and we also have my wedding pictures. Okay, the CDs are all dumped here. Batteries, empty ones. Everyone knows who threw this inside. Now this one is basically for all the chargers and DVD players. And I wanted to keep some hard drives also inside. So we'll just keep this aside and then get to the next one. This one basically is for all the craft supplies, and we go through this in and out for Adi's craft whenever he has from class. So this is a huge mess here. Okay, so arrangement of these cubes are done. This is all craft supplies. These are all DVDs, hard drives, iPad charger, etc. And in this one are all our favorite moments, albums. And actually this book I had got for Adi. This is my school years journal. He had actually done his kindergarten memories inside this, and I love holding on to old memories, and I hope my children too do the same. So this is done. We're going to keep it back. Before that, I just want to wipe off this shelf, and then I'll put all of them back. There is no better feeling than having clean, warm pillows that you can just relax on. Just feels as though a warm back massage. I just took it out of the dryer, but very clean and feels clean. I'll also clean up the windows using the glass cleaners and then vacuum the floors as well, so that the living room can be considered done. And the cupboard right there, you can see I cannot even close it completely because there is something inside which is just not allowing me to close it. So I'm just going to take care of that. So if I don't do this today, I know I'll not get it done. So let's do it quickly. While I was cleaning the deep inside of these cupboards, I found these. The Tasty Bite Indian Madras lentils, which we get from Costco, and it is my lifesaver. And I didn't even know that this is there inside, because when you have those days when you don't have time to cook at all, I really find this is useful. But recently when I went to Costco, I didn't even find this. They had the Tasty Bite chickpeas, but this Madras lentils were not there. But I'm happy that I have 2 days when I can skip dinner. So there were so many empty containers there. I'm refilling them. I love these honey bunches of oats, the granola that we get from Walmart. I have some Cheerios inside. I'm going to add this. Okay, so the cupboard is almost ready and it feels a lot more organized, and I am happy that it can be closed completely. That was my problem. Why wasn't it closing completely? Because there were some things inside that were pushing it. So I just emptied everything into their containers and just reorganized it a little bit. So these are all canned foods, rice, atta and spices, and all the extra materials on the lower rack. Now comes the next part, which is the hutch. So if you remember, I had got this from a thrift store and then we painted it white. The chalk paint craze that I was at for a few days. Even now I do like to chalk paint, but here there is no patio or balcony, so I'm unable to experiment with chalk paint. But yes, this was one of my chalk paint projects, but it's time to clean it up. Now for preparing the idiyappams, I have 1 cup of rice flour here. Just going to roast it and then keep it aside, and then we'll get started with preparing the egg kuruma. Here we have about 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger, a piece of cinnamon, 3 or 4 cloves and 3 cardamoms. I'm just going to grind it. I really like my coffee grinder for grinding that. Heating up some oil in a pot and frying some onions. Once the onions look brown enough, adding in the masala that we had ground and roast until the raw smell goes off. Then adding in some coriander powder, turmeric powder and red chili powder, and allow everything to mix well. Now I'm going to add in the tomato paste. I have 3 tomatoes that are ground here. Okay, now I'm going to season it with a little salt. Now here I have some pressure cooked green peas which I'm going to add into this, and then the boiled eggs as well. Now here I have added the green peas, and now I'm adding the coconut milk. And once it boils, I'll add in the eggs and then let it just simmer. Now I'm going to use this cooker to make the idiyappam dough. So I have here half a cup of thick coconut milk and 1 cup of very thin coconut milk. It's mostly water in there, and then some salt and a little bit of oil. Now let this mixture boil, and then we'll add in the roasted flour. Okay, so this curry is simmering since some time now. Just going to add some curry leaves, and the curry is ready. Now this mixture has started to boil, so I'm going to add in the roasted rice flour here. Mix everything well, and now we're just going to let it stay for 10 minutes. After greasing the hands with a little oil, making it into a very soft dough, and then adding small balls of this dough into the idiyappam maker, and then we are ready to make the idiyappams. So steam it for about 10 to 12 minutes and the idiyappams are ready, and we are ready to have it along with the egg kurma that we made. And that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe and today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like, and I will see you all later. Happy Christmas to you all. Take care and bye-bye.